Hey everyone, today, I'm going to share some fantastic ways you can earn money online. Let's dive right in. Number 1 is freelancing. First of all, freelancing is a great way to leverage your skills and make money. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with businesses looking for services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Start by creating a compelling profile, bidding on projects, and building a portfolio of completed work to attract more clients. Number 2 is online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can tutor students through platforms like VIPKid or Chegg Tutors. Sign up, create a detailed profile, set your availability and rates, and start teaching. You can conduct live video sessions or even pre-record lessons for your students. Next up, number 3 is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon or ClickBank. Create content such as blogs or YouTube videos that include your affiliate links. And promote products you genuinely believe in. Number 4 is blogging and content creation. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel can be lucrative if you consistently produce high-quality content. Monetize through display advertising, sponsored posts, and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Number 5 on the list is dropshipping. This method allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, choose products from suppliers, market your store, and handle orders while the supplier ships the products directly to the customers. Number 6 is stock photography and video. If you have a talent for photography or videography, you can sell your work on stock websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Upload high-quality images and videos regularly, tag your work with relevant keywords, and keep up with trends to know what visuals are in demand. Number 7 is online surveys and market research. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay users to take surveys and participate in market research. Sign up on multiple survey sites, complete your profile, and participate regularly to maximize your earnings. Number 8 is virtual assistants. Businesses often need help with administrative tasks, which you can do remotely as a virtual assistant. Websites like Belay and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients. Identify your skills, create a professional profile, and apply for jobs that match your skill set. Finally, number 9 is creating and selling online courses or webinars. If you're an expert in a particular field, platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create comprehensive courses with video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable resources. So there you have it, 9 fantastic ways to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there's something out there for you. Give it a shot and see where it takes you.